Lung cancer. It's the most common form of cancer, and more people die of it than colon, prostate, ovarian, lymph, and breast cancers combined. Here are some common risk factors. The #1 risk, smoking. But if you're a smoker, there's hope. If you kick the habit, you dramatically reduce your risk of lung cancer, even if you smoked for years. Another risk, secondhand smoke. Being around smokers in smoking environments poses the same risks as smoking. There's also other environmental factors to consider, like exposure to pollution and toxic chemicals. Some research studies suggest that drinking alcohol can also be a risk factor, so remember, everything in moderation. Then there's genetics to consider. If you have a family history of lung cancer, you have a higher risk. Do you think you're at risk? Then call your doctor and arrange for a full screening, including a chest X-ray. Your physician can outline any hazards and additional ways to reduce your risks. Start today.